Maintenance interface operation. 1. Release brake manually. 2. Multi-turn value. 3. Joint calibration. The scores will be around 5 minutes and the goals are the following. Able to release brake manually and drag the robot in an abnormal condition. Acknowledge the function of a multi-turn value and joint calibration option. Let's start. In case of the joints in error status such as a brake jam, display joint angle in abnormal during operation robot. Enter the maintenance interface for maintenance with the JAKA Zoo app. How to enter the maintenance interface? By clicking the JAKA logo 10 times continuously, the login window for maintenance will pop up. To enter it, the password is JAKA Amazing, all capitals. When to release the band type brake? In normal circumstances, the robot joints can be slightly moved due to the external force. But the joints might jam in case of a serious collision, causing robot not able to run properly. In this case, we shall identify the jam joint and release the brake to solve this issue. Caution for this operation. Before releasing the brake, ensure the robot is fixed properly. After releasing the brake, the joint release will be loosened completely, and the end of the robot might fall down around his joint due to gravity. Steps for releasing the band type brake. First, disable the robot, but keep its power on. The tool head LED ring light remains in intermittent blue. Second, ensure the robot is fixed properly. Third, enter the release band type brake in a maintenance interface. Fourth, select the joint jammed. Fifth, click release band type brake. Sixth, push the robot to the proper position. Then click resume band type brake. Release the robot slowly. Eighth, push the robot again, ensure the brake is resumed. Multi-turn value. This operation is usually not for customer. If it is required, it's only allowed to be carried out by or with the guidance from JAKA's technical staff. When the robot suddenly de-energized due to accidents such as a serious collision or trip, it might result in an encoder multi-turn value or lost turn value issue. After re-energize the robot, the angle reading of the joint is less or more than 360 degrees than the normal value. In this case, adjust the turn value for the abnormal joint in the maintenance interface. Step for edit turn value. 1. Disable the robot but keep it powered on. 2. Navigate to the multi-turn value option in the maintenance interface. Select the abnormal joint. Click the number of turns +1, -1 according to the current joint angle displayed to make it return to normal. Notice that the robot pause on manual operation screen shall be the same with the actual robot. Joint calibration. This operation is usually not for customer. If it is required, it's only allowed to be carried out by or with the guidance from a JAKA technical staff. In case of joint replacement due to joint malfunction, calibration is required for the new joint. As this calibration result will affect the absolute accuracy of the robot, usually it is not recommended to calibrate it by a customer only. Here are the steps for the joint calibration. 1. The joint which requires calibration to the 0 position with the teach pendant. As the pose in the right side picture, the X positive direction of the wall frame is along with the power cable connector or robot base, and the TIO connector as joint 6 is upturned. 2. Enter the maintenance interface, select the joint calibration option. Click the corresponding button, joint calibration is completed. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.